everyone, this is Raja. Today I will show you the coderz mission. Repeat it yourself. I will also make the video on snake water gun game with Python, and I will also make the video on coderz conclusion 3 mission. Okay, so let's start. First you have to take a dry power block and then go to control 4, take the width until touches, press true. Then we have to stop, and now we have to take this, set steering, set duration, and take two batteries, and then set steering to 100, and drive power block would be at 15. The duration would be 1750, and then I will go here and take this block, stop, and then take the repeat block and then take it for 3 times and move forward. Okay, now our code is complete. Now we'll just run this. So thank you everyone to watch this video. Please like this, comment, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. My name is Babuja.